Welcome back to our fitness channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that will help you achieve those chiseled abs you've always wanted. We'll be discussing the 2 powerful moves recommended by top trainer, Jeff Cavaliere from Athlean-X. So, grab your exercise mats and let's dive right in. Before we delve into the specific exercises, let's understand why these moves are so effective. Jeff Cavaliere, a renowned fitness expert, has designed these exercises to target your entire core, not just the superficial abdominal muscles. By engaging the deeper core muscles, these exercises promote stability, strength, and ultimately, shredded abs. The first move in our quest for shredded abs is the pull-off press. This exercise primarily targets the obliques and the transverse abdominis, the muscles responsible for keeping your core tight and stable. To perform the pull-off press, stand perpendicular to a cable machine or resistance band, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Grab the handle with both hands, and bring it close to your chest. From here, extend your arms forward, maintaining tension in the band. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Slowly bring your arms back to the starting position, resisting the force of the band or cable. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side, gradually increasing the resistance as you progress. Remember, quality and control are key in this exercise. Avoid rushing through the movement and focus on maintaining proper form. The second move that Jeff recommends to shred your abs is the hanging leg raise. This exercise targets the lower abs, hip flexors, and also engages the entire core. To perform the hanging leg raise, find a sturdy pull-up bar and hang from it with your arms fully extended. Keep your legs straight and together, and slowly raise them up towards your chest. Focus on using your abs to lift your legs, rather than relying solely on momentum. Once your legs are parallel to the ground, lower them back down in a controlled manner. Start with a manageable number of repetitions, aiming for 8 to 12. As you build strength, you can increase the difficulty by performing variations such as the hanging knee raise or the windshield wiper. And there you have it, 2 powerful moves recommended by top trainer Jeff Cavaliere, guaranteed to help you shred your abs and develop a strong core. Remember, consistency is key, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your workout routine regularly. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. And as always, consult with a fitness professional before starting any new exercise program. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay dedicated, stay focused, and keep working towards your fitness goals. See you soon.